Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Union, New Jersey, just completing an acid washed frameless single door with brushed nickel hardware. So this is a shout out to the ladies out there. You're tired of your husband constantly barging in on you in the bathroom for toothpaste and while you're taking a shower and you know what he's really up to. Well, maybe for your next shower door, maybe you should consider some privacy glass. That way you can barge in as much as he wants, and at least this way it won't be so obvious what he's up to. And you can have your peace and privacy. So keep that in mind for your next quotation. And give us a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.